on our 3 new parrots, and out of the 3, one of them flew out of his cage somehow, and he is right here in this hole. You can't see him right now. Wait. Hey, hi me. Hey, yes. I caught him so hardly. He was sitting on top of the fan, and I got him out. Now we're gonna see him. Ready? Hello. I'm very scared he's gonna fly again, and I don't want him to. So.
And you will kill him.
If he flies away again, look. Hello.
Hello.
You can't see him. Wait. He is here. He is not afraid of us that much, but sometimes he is afraid of us. Hello, Chico. His name is Josh.
Josh!
He flew away again. No problem. That's it for today's mini vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.